Recently, I reviewed a lot of prop firms from the market, but I realized that I actually never made a review video about True Forex Funds, the prop firm where I am currently funded for already more than 6 months. I got funded by them last year in August, and since then I got multiple profit splits, and I have a lot of experiences with them. So today it's time to discuss about their services, the changes that they're made, and also about the trading conditions, because this is very important to know. We will talk about the spreads and the slippages with them. Also, I want to talk about the changes that they're made, because when I got funded by them in the challenge, I had no minimum trading days, but meantime they added this important aspect, and also they made their changes regarding the minimum trading days in the funded account. So stay with me, because we will talk about all these changes and their conditions. First of all, when talking about the accounts that they are offering, they offer only one type of funding, a 2 phases challenge account, and the targets requested by them are 8% in the phase 1 and 5% in the phase 2. When I got funded by them, the phase 2 requested only a 4% profit target, and this is a change that I saw that they made. Also, another change again is regarding the objectives, because as you can see on their website, they have minimum 5 trading days for the phase 1 and minimum 5 days for the phase 2. I think they probably made this change in order to have more traders that actually trade consistently, and maybe they don't want traders who just pass a challenge in one day, which is perfectly fine. This procedure is pretty common in the prop firms industry, so yeah. Regarding the drawdown that they are offering, they offer a decent drawdown, a 5% maximum daily loss, and a 10% maximum loss overall on the account, and of course this drawdown is calculated based the initial balance, and is not a relative drawdown. We don't like relative drawdowns, and I really like the fact that True Forex Funds have this drawdown based on the initial balance. Of course, it's very important to know as well the maximum days you have allowed in order to pass the challenges, and for the phase 1 you have 30 days, and for the second phase you got 60 days in order to achieve that 5% target. When you are funded with True Forex Funds, you got 80% profit split, and a good change that they made since I got funded is the fact that now you have no minimum trading days. When I got funded by True Forex Funds, I actually have to have 5 minimum trading days on the funded account in order for me to be able to request a profit split after 2 weeks. So this is a good change made by them. The drawdown stays the same in the funded account. You have 5% daily and 10% overall on the account. Now let's go on their website, because we have some more important aspects to see about True Forex Funds. So this is their website. You will find the link in the description directly to their website in order to check by your own their services. And now let's take a look on what can we find here. And first of all, you'll find here the 2 phases challenge. We already discussed about this 2 phases challenge, but what I wanted to show you is the fact that they offer account up to $200K, and you will find here the payments. A $10K account is 89 euro, and the fee is refundable as soon as you get funded. You actually are going to receive this fee back when you got your first profit split. So after getting funded with True Forex Funds, you have to trade for 2 weeks, but no minimum trading days. You actually can make profit in only 1 day, and after 2 weeks, when it's profit split time, you are going to receive as well your fee back. Let's take a look on other things as well. And what I find interesting about them is the fact that they actually offer their spreads exactly on their website. I checked the spreads also in the MetaTrader, and they are exactly the same. What I really like about them is the fact that Euro-US dollar has a zero spread almost on all the time. Of course, there are times when the markets are really volatile, but other than that, the spread is going to be almost zero every time with the Euro-US dollar. An important aspect about the trading conditions, and what I actually don't really like about them, is the fact that on Forex pairs you are going to have a commission of $7 per lot, which is pretty high, and I tried to scalp for a while using a 0.5% risk per trade. But still, the commissions were pretty high, and we are going to see a bit later the dashboard, and you will be convinced about what I'm telling here. Okay, going to the next aspects on their website, what I really like about them is the fact that they are really transparent with the payouts, and if you click here on payouts, you are going to see every single payout paid to different traders that got their profit splits with True Forex Funds. You will see here that the highest payout is $44K, which is awesome, and the average payout with True Forex Funds is $3,000, which is awesome again, and the total payouts in US dollars in the February month is over $2 million, which is awesome. As you can see, the historical payouts of funded traders are not available browsing before October 2022, and this happens mostly because they added this payouts tab after October 2022. Also, on their website you will find the leaderboard, and I really like to see here how awesome traders are making awesome profits with them. Okay, going to the next important aspect on their website, we will find here the tab assistance, where you will find all the trading rules and FAQ, which may be interesting for you. And also, if you have any questions, they always have this live chat available here. You can write to them, and they will reply you actually in a few minutes. Every time I needed to talk with someone from True Forex Funds, they replied me in a few minutes, and I really like their support. Now we are going to take a look on the client area, and I'm going to show you some aspects regarding the dashboards and so. Alright, so we are in the dashboard, and now you will see some important aspects regarding this dashboard of True Forex Funds. As you can see, this account is inactive due to the fact that this is my phase 1 account when I passed the first phase of the True Forex Funds challenge. And let's see what do we have here. So you will always find in the trading objectives the maximum daily loss allowed, the maximum loss allowed on the account, and the results on your account, and also the profit target. So if you don't know how many US dollars do you have more to lose in a day, or how much you have to make until you achieve your profit target, you will always find these trading objectives updated in real time in the dashboard. Also, you will find a daily summary here, and as you can see, I've got multiple days. Some days where I made over 4% in a day, and also a day where I made -3%, but yeah, this is it. And regarding the trading returns, you will find also in every single day the profit that you made. So as you can see, Mondays are not for me. I already knew that, but yeah, as you can see, it's a proof here. Also, you will find here some interesting things regarding the wins and losses in different trading days. Also, this can be an important aspect for your trading analysis. And regarding the holding time, you will find here the fact that I usually hold the trades between 4 and 12 hours. This is pretty common for my strategy. I am not a swing trader, so you will not find any trades holded over 24 hours. And again, this dashboard and holding time can be really useful for your trades analysis. Regarding the statistics, you can find here the best trades you got, the worst trades, and the maximum trades that you actually opened in a certain account. On this first phase, I opened 13 trades and 48 lots, and the general win rate was around 54%. You will find here also the average win, the average loss that you had on the account, and the expectancy for your account. Going to the next important aspect, you will find here if you made more profit from buys and sells, and as you can see, the last summer I've got a lot of profit from buys, not from sales. The things are pretty different now, but yeah, there are markets and markets. Let's see also the symbols traded. As you can see, in the summer I was trading 3 forex pairs, USD JPY, USD CAD, and Euro US dollar. And also it seems that I wanted to try something with indices, but after that I again realized that I had to just stick on a single strategy on an account, and I took this decision to trade only the forex pairs. Going to the history, this is a funny story here due to the fact that after closing of this trade, I needed some more, I think, $6 in order to achieve the target. And here I opened a few trades just to make that around 8%, and finally I got that. But what I wanted to show you here is the fact that as you can see, per one volume, per one lot, you are going to have a $7 commission, which can be terrible if you want to try scalping. Talking about scalping, first of all, I want to show you here two trades that I tried to open with Euro US dollar scalping trades, because as you can see, the volume is much higher than the next volumes that I used using my strategy. So I tried to scalp Euro US dollar, and as you can see, it's not really fine about the fact that you lost an important amount of your capital in commissions. This was a 0.5% risk per trade, and apart from the $250 my stop loss, I paid also $63 for commissions. Also, another trade that I opened here was this on Euro US dollar, and this time I risked 0.75 risk per trade. And as you can see here, I also managed to get some slippage because I lost 1% for this trade that actually have 0.5% risk per trade. And after that, I realized that I really don't want to pay this huge commission, and I will continue to just trade my strategy. And as you can see, again, I'm trading only gold on the 5 minutes time frame and USD JPY on the 15 minutes time frame on the strategy that you already know from our channel. Other things on your personal dashboard are going to be the payouts, the certificates, and you can access as well leaderboards here. From the payouts, you can configure your payout when you are eligible for your profit split. And basically, after completing the form of the payout, you are going to receive your money with Deel, because True Forex Funds are paying their traders using Deel. You can find these aspects in the assistant orders and billing withdrawal, where they are going to tell you that the profit splits are going to be bi-weekly, every 14 calendar days. And after you configure your payout from the profit split section, you are going to receive your money in Deel, and from Deel you can transfer your money in your bank account, to your crypto wallet, in Binance, to PayPal, Revolut, Wise, Pioneer, or to your Deel card. This is the Deel platform, and I just created my account after getting funded by True Forex Funds. I never used Deel until that, but I really like this platform, and it's completely free because True Forex Funds assumes any commissions or other things involved to this payout. So you only have to register on Deel, to add your ID for sure, and on the payout day you are going to receive your profit splits in Deel. And what I did is the fact that I just marked the fact that once I receive an amount into my Deel account, that amount is automatically transferred to my bank account without any other further notice. So the only thing that I have to do in Deel is to accept the contract in the profit split day, because they are going to send you a contract in order for you to accept the payout from your profit split. So this is it with True Forex Funds. I overall really like my experience with them. I like the trading conditions. What they can improve is the fact that the commissions for the forex pairs is $7 per lot, but overall the trading conditions are fair, and they offer a great support every time you need. I don't know if I covered everything about them, so if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment section. And also don't forget that in the description you will find a link to their website. You can check their accounts, and after that you maybe will try a new challenge with True Forex Funds. This is it for today. Thank you all for watching. See you in our next videos, and of course until then, trade safe and trust the process.